How to hide a file in File Manager in cPanel. So let's see this step by step. First, log into your cPanel using the login details provided by your hosting company. Once you log in, you will land on the main cPanel dashboard. Next, in this page, click and enter File Manager section under File. And again here, we will need to enter public HTML directory. Here to hide a file, we need to rename the file. Right-click on the file and select Rename. And in the pop-up window, we can edit the file name. To hide any file here, add period in front of the file name and click the Rename File button to save your changes. And done, the file is hidden automatically. All .dot files get hidden in File Manager in cPanel. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, leave a comment below, and share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.